good morning. We are here, Hayfield, Jamaica, St. Thomas. About to do a very epic hike, and I've heard about it for many years, but we're finally doing it.
Yeah.
Thanks to Mokko lining it up.
We are going through the Cunha Cunha trail, you know.
Classic.
Yeah, that we are doing today.
And it's famous because it goes all the way from St. Thomas to Portland, right?
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
So we're literally going from one parish to another through the mountains.
Yeah, yeah.
Wicked.
That tour we are doing today, you know.
The Cunha Cunha Pass is a 5-mile-long mountain trail, runs along the main ridge of the Blue Mountains, connects Hayfield and St. Thomas with the Rio Grande Valley in Portland, first used by the Maroons to travel between the two parishes, and they use it as a strategic escape route to evade and attack British forces during times of war and conflict. It's believed it's actually named after a mountainous Cunha Cunha country in Nigeria, or after a timber tree of the same name. So, very historic place, and we're hiking it today.
The butterflies, the rat bats, the snake, two different nature hummingbird, and the coney.
Wow. Oh, that's the coney.
Yeah, this is
That's the one I was always wondering. I thought coney was a rabbit for a long time, but it's a different thing. Yeah.
The mangoes, and this is the snake.
Okay, so boa snakes too.
Yeah, so you see all the written way, them written way, you know, fuck around in here. When you come in here.
Don't fuck around.
You must take care of the forest. One thing catch you, I do stupidness to all these animals, you can go to jail or prison for 9 months.
Right.
Trust me.
What about we won't do any of that. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. And I did meet some people in Hayfield last year when Joel and crew were doing the Hayfield ramp project. So shout out to Joel and Mr. Dean and everyone in Hayfield. So yeah, very excited to do this hike. And it is crazy already. We got super jungly look.
Yeah.
It's intense. Wow. And hopefully the rain doesn't get us too bad. We could get lost already. We got a fork in the road.
Hey,
There you go. Always look for the trail markers.
Yeah.
Don't get lost.
I could be coming out of the while. We go out, man, I go to Portland, Tony. Me too.
Wow, it's intense.
I couldn't wear all them kind of shoes.
No. I'm glad I got my boots here. Very glad I got my boots here.
And big comfortable folk, you know. Big shoes, you know.
Yeah. So it's 9 o'clock right now. Yeah. Getting started a little later than we thought, but that's okay. Whoa, it's intense.
Oh, man. I tell you.
Just starting too. Bomba cleat.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Whoa, you want to carry an umbrella for a sec? Here, you got it? All right. Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Why couldn't come here with that better shoes more than your brother?
It's a real hike. Bring good footwear.
Yeah, man.
And if you can get it when it's dry, I recommend that. I didn't think we were going to go on this hike this morning given the amount of rain we had last night, but here we are.
When you see this hike, you have good shoes.
Yeah.
Good. No slippers, no flip-flop, no crocodile business.
And bonus points if they look cool too.
Yeah.
Like these ones.
Yeah, man. Jungle shoes. You can't tap all over water.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Good hiking boots.
Yeah.
Go a long way.
Yeah.
No, man, I can't carry.
But Ratty's doing it in Crocs.
But no pocket here.
No Crocs up here, I hope.
Oh, you hope.
You never know.
Then paw on you.
I don't think crocodiles go up high this high.
They'd fall down.
No there.
Wow.
Then use it make wicker, you know.
Oh yeah?
See we send them on.
Yeah.
Look.
Those are the vines out
there. Yeah, see them?
Yeah.
They use them make wicker.
Here. Oh, it's here.
Furniture in your house. So that furniture tree this will cost you.
Very cool.
It make good juice. Yellow plum.
No, I love
It's
those.
right out of your park of car, man. Long. She up on my sister yard.
Did I eat?
Yeah,
Oh,
have plum.
You hungry yet?
no.
We would only go in a few minutes. You're not hungry?
No. I already fill up my belly.
With chips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And plus I have another bottle of drink and a chips.
So you're good to go.
Yeah.
That's a cool looking balloon.
Ranger.
Wow. So many.
Let them know if you had that. Make wicker chair furniture in their house.
They tie it all up.
This? No. They dry it out and a piece in a hit. So they put it in a one big jump on the water.
Huh.
Big jump with hot and scald them and dry them out. This then use it.
Trunk?
No, this. This way inside there. See there?
Yeah.
See there? So when they hot it and dry, all of it come off, all the whole long length of this. So this then use, not the whisk, but of them there.
Just the inside.
Yeah, the inside, so people who don't see the amount.
Want someone to come for some.
Yeah, there's plenty of whisk to go around.
Yeah.
Right around the road.
What's the name of the tree or this whisk again?
Wicker, we use it make wicker.
Okay, like a Wicker Wiss.
So you know where you're going. Living at them bush.
This is awesome. Got some blue sky coming to us already. Plenty of food to go around in here, looks like. This is definitely a watch your step type place. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That is a dead drop. Death drop.
Let's walk over the tree, bro.
So yeah, a cow has definitely been going through here. Alright, if a cow can do it, I can do it.
But we don't have 4 lines.
If you pass all them woolly papaya black.
Yeah.
See them there?
Oh yeah.
That's the road we're coming from. So the church just underneath here, so.
So we drove up and yeah.
Yeah, right in between them tree there.
Yeah.
Good, sir. Here's the plant there, you know.
Yeah.
I grew some material them, you know.
Oh.
The first side, it's on a healthy in a bush.
You can tell just by looking at the
leaves, man.
Whoa.
Nowadays, banana is. The rest of them are wild banana, but see them there?
Yeah.
White leaf on them, growth material.
As you know, we love the Gros Michel around here. The rarest of bananas. I talk about it all the time. I'm getting warm, but I'm glad I wore pants today, honestly, on a wet day like this. And it's actually kind of cool in the mountain too, right? It's not that hot up here.
Can't come in them bush, you know.
Yeah.
Bit out in pants, you know. Mosquitoes fuck you up, you know, brother.
Yeah, so far I haven't noticed many mosquitoes, but yeah, you want it as insurance.
Good.
No one likes bites on the ankles.
No, them bite me, nothing bite me.
No, man. Trying to keep these shoes dry. Mud, no problem. But I want to stay dry.
One me foot dry.
Exactly.
Yeah, right. If you wear any type of shoes come here, I don't feel the vibe. I see it before it happened to blood tree. Janu.
Look at people cut down place up here.
Bless farmer, man. Blessed. Ah. Oh, cool. So now tree no chop down in the road we go over. Alright, sir. Blessing. Alright, Rasta. Have a good day, brother. Have a good day, man. Yeah?
Hey, there's that cow I was talking about. There he is. The cow that's making the trek. Yeah, you can really sense the history when you're walking around these places. There's a real mystical feeling to it. I don't know how to explain it, you know?
Yeah.
Like you can sense the history around you. The beauty is just, the wilderness is amazing.
And the coconut tree.
Just the mist rolling through. Crazy spot. Well, I'm not hungry just yet, but it appears there's lots of different food around. There's all kinds of bananas, like right here. I'm sure we're gonna run into something else too. Maybe some orange, soursop, mango maybe. We'll see what happens.
Nice flowers.
Nice little flowers. Nice big bamboo. Some berries. Interesting. I know my friend Brewer said always be cautious when the birds aren't eating them. Maybe they're too good to be true. So low and uneaten. Something is amiss. Dude, I love this bamboo. Huge bamboo.
Look like some rock water.
You know, Matthew,
Yeah?
I'm gonna get this shoe. And the first time man where it come so far. The first time where it come so far.
It's the first test drive on them?
Yeah.
Good.
Cause I good brand new shoes.
Big rock.
Other than the dog chewing off the corner.
Yeah, man.
And Mokko these brand new Wicked boots, and then one of the dogs is bad dog. Dude, the bamboo is wild.
Yes, sir.
Just giant. Whoa.
Oh,
You know what?
Isn't that beautiful, man? That's like.
You're gonna get
I
some
love
good
that.
boats off that tree right there, man.
Yeah.
Very big.
I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park.
suppose people want to pick them over here.
Look how much moisture is up here. The bamboo's getting moss all over it.
My chips land here.
Easy.
Was lucky.
Maybe you'll feed a snake.
No.
Maybe we'll find one of those big Jamaican boa constrictors that are around. Rare, but they're around. I would love to see a coney, if possible. I've still never seen one in real life. Yeah, he looks like
A mango.
kind of like a fatter mongoose. Wider face. Yeah, interesting look. Oh man.
So it's good, make them,
Whoa,
yeah,
look at this.
yeah. More than one.
So, got some drinking water to freshen up if you want.
Good.
I'm good for now, but
Hey, when they so come down at certain time, look up there. There's a basin where you can bathe in up there. Now,
oh
look
yeah, up top.
up there.
Oh whoa.
At certain time it is come over flood. The whole of, that's why they make this here.
Yeah, because it's intense to cross if that's a lot of water running.
Talk to me.
Talk to me.
Bamboo.
Talk to me. Wow.
Anybody here?
Just
Say
us.
something.
I don't think we're running into anyone else today. It appears we have the place all to ourselves. Well, I thought I was impressed by the bamboo before, but now we're really... I feel like I'm in Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, that Chinese ninja movie.
You never saw so many bamboo, eh?
It's been a while.
You know life and then so big and pretty, man.
Yeah.
But
Some of
one,
them come across.
one come right in at them place and say, why, then can make a house out of bamboo. They don't want nothing more.
You can make a skyscraper,
What?
not just a house. Look at all the material you got. Boom! This is a good sign. There's actually a little notice about where we're at. So we are now. Wow, it looks like we're about halfway there. Maybe a third. I'll take a third. That's not too bad. Hayfield down here. So yeah, we're going to be entering Portland pretty soon.
When?
I'd say maybe another hour.
Right.
Let's go.
You better run, bro.
How you holding up?
Good.
Energy level good?
Yeah.
Crocs aren't bothering your feet?
No.
You're actually just tougher than the average human. So I've been really getting interested in mushrooms, listening to a lot of Paul Stamets on podcasts, looking for mushrooms at home in Ontario, and I just spotted some wild mushrooms here. And they look very interesting. So I'm going to see if the app is going to be able to tell what kind of mushroom they are. It doesn't look like they're going on a bamboo, but what an interesting one. Very interesting. Up and down the entire log. So I'm gonna use my phone app and see if I can see which one it is. So I don't have any service here, but we're just gonna take a picture and then see if that'll help us later on. All right, there we go. Nice spring. Oh man, sweet up your mouth.
It's cold.
Why not that back to it? Oh.
Not like that.
Then if you get your water, man. I go through that process.
It was amazing. There's been 2 spots to fill up already. First hour of hiking, so lots of water to drink. Remember the first time you took me hiking, Mokko, 2010? You took me to the spring, and I'll never forget the line. You said, the water's very cool, like ice.
That one is cool too. Everywhere in here, you know, brother. I water. But if you come down here, so, I don't know the trail to get folk. Trust me.
We thought we got off trail for a second there.
Yo, you see that, sir? Me know this a long time. Just like but I had somebody cut down and make a farm there.
Yeah,
change the road. But if you know, look good, you don't know say one little part did it. So me won't come off of the part. Me have to hang out in the ground.
Let's try this nice mountain spring water. Oh my god. So pure. Been drinking the pipe water for a few days. It's pretty good, but you get a little hint of chlorine or whatever's put in it, so take spring water any day of the week. Oh, that's a good spot.
I said, Lockton said, they stop. I said, couldn't catch them again.
I know.
A palm. Coconut palm, this.
Coconut palm.
Yeah, coconut palm. The one I say sleep here with coconut.
Bad.
It can make, then you don't make this straw thing, you know, straw, hot straw, everything. This tree. This is the coconut palm.
And dry.
Good. Then dry it.
Very cool.
And it make all kind of nice things.
Come on, Monty.
Come.
This, I think that tree, yeah. I'm not so sure.
Remember?
But it look like a wild cinnamon.
Oh.
I man don't know. Well, I rat that. Let me check out something.
The parrot sound.
It look like it's a cinnamon. Let me see. Hold it.
This one with the interesting bark? That one?
Yeah.
Whoa.
And it's ratty.
Hey.
Bad man.
Get me one of those later.
Tough tree.
Ready?
White bullet. White bullet. Look on the side, Matthew.
Yeah.
Look on the side, brother. Which side that cinnamon?
So it looks similar to a cinnamon, but different
Wild.
different purpose.
White bullet.
White bullet that.
White bullet.
What kind of mushroom is this? That is a really crazy looking one. Sort of polyps on it. It looks so weird. I don't think I've ever seen any kind of fungus like this before. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to take another shot with the phone to try and look it up later. Every time I come hiking here, I'm finding some really interesting fungus that I've never seen in my entire life, so love it. And there's more. Just a little up from the other one. But no crazy brain part. It's hard as a rock. I thought it would be kind of soft or slimy or something. A lot of bamboo, so I know there's a lot of different mushrooms that love to grow around bamboo. Wow. We are getting over the mountain. You can hear how windy it's getting.
lookout point right
Right
now.
on the lookout, yeah.
Right at lookout.
Uh-huh. Whoa, what is this?
We're doing between lookout and Mount Felix.
Ah,
Yeah,
so catching all the breeze right in
yeah,
there.
we catch it with again lookout and Mount Felix.
Oh, which one?
Mount Felix down this way.
Right here.
Right down there?
Yeah.
Wow.
See the road there? See the road there somewhere there, so? Where we come up.
Come from
So when you come from Mount Felix there, so? Come up in a Gled Mile there, so? In a Gled Mile,
Yeah.
you find lookout. So you know, we read lookout here now on this point, you know?
It's cool.
Between Mount Felix and lookout today.
The Mount Felix
I
is
can't
right
believe how much
beside
breeze it catches right here. Just crazy.
me. Right beside me.
So Mount Felix just there down there, no House Hill. House Hill, you walk all the way to House Hill and come to lookout. See the road there? See the road there?
Yeah.
Down the fucking hill we are going. No, no escape there no
Whoa! It's getting cold. I didn't think I'd say that here. It's cool. We'll say cool, not cold.
Yeah, it's fine. Roll.
Whoa! Whoa.
You breathe your cold like ice to blood tip. You know how time who could have can't stay up there? Pick up the hours. Breathe, mash him up, man.
No, man, a helicopter can't come up there.
Crazy. Just as you turn the corner, it gets so calm. But that one channel between the mountains, just
Look out.
look out.
Alright.
Look out. Look out.
That's very serious. Look out, you know.
Yeah, maybe just 100 meters there where it was super windy. And now completely calm for the most part.
The blood clot and Ratty I became my tea, man.
Chaney Root.
Yeah,
From
man.
the famous one from Roots and the tea that we had the other
Yeah,
day.
man. And we can't dig it. Knife can't dig this, brother.
Man.
That is Chaney Root.
How do you tell the Chaney Root? I wouldn't even have noticed that. How can you distinguish it from other plants?
Oh, this.
Yeah.
This. Like
Oh,
a
the
apple
wrist
behind.
off it.
The vine.
So it's kind of got thorns.
Big no blood. See, look here. See I want that bigger one here.
Mm-hmm.
Look. Yeah.
You tell me I can't mash it, you know.
You
Me
bring
tell
it
you now.
Eh?
You tell me I can't mash it.
So Chaney Root. Yeah, that's interesting. Kind of reddish color on top too on this one.
Yeah, they mash it, you know.
Very sharp.
No.
Maca.
No.
And I think this is one Cunha Wiss.
Ah, another one from Roots.
Ah, I see two of them that I see one.
Ah,
too.
growing side by side.
Yeah.
Yeah, they mash it. Yeah, they mash it.
I'll put up a link to the Chaney Root tea episode we had. Gives you this beautiful reddish, earthy kind of color tea and used in Roots a lot. And that's a really, really healthy one as well. Yeah, there's a lot of water on the path here.
Yeah.
Oh man.
You can pull up. Fill up your fucking tank, man.
I'm gonna just try and stay dry here. Good for washing up. Ooh, cold spring water.
Yeah. We can tell you, you know. Everywhere in here, you carry water, you know. Everywhere you look. A water. You go down more water too, you know.
Yeah, it seems like every 20 minutes there's another spring
Of course.
somewhere.
The sun come out again.
Yeah,
See?
you called it.
So you can't sit down. I don't go, boy. Rain go fall. It cannot fall that side right now, and it not fall this side.
Yeah, you called it exactly.
Yeah.
What I told you
Is this a bad cocoa?
That have to put by the roots. We call it I-Coco.
I-Coco, so it is a kind of cocoa.
Yeah,
good for your height.
That spade leaf, as you can tell.
So that means it's good for your height.
Oh yeah?
we're not good to know, yeah, good to put in our tank.
Mm.
Little tank, man.
So we're just talking about water and then another spring right
Yeah,
here.
man.
So you can see why the Maroons would use this as a trail with so many opportunities for drinking water,
What do you mean?
to clean up. It's the perfect spot.
Yeah,
Man.
every part in the part, me have to drink some to bum buckler.
very cold.
Good.
But very cold.
Well, this is the Maroon part with the pan right now. I have enough option, enough water. First Ratty come at the Maroon trail. Good. First match will be in.
Yep, first
Right.
time for me.
Yeah. Cunha Cunha Pass. Good.
Go for it.
Yeah, me say me I come here so from before we even have in mother before we even get in mother. So me know the whole around here.
Long time.
Long time ago. Whole heap of guests. Me and them they through the bush are really rough same way. Then ride bike pan here, you know. Then ride bike. It have a time where it dry, you know.
Yeah.
And then clean it. And you see all them tree here. Most of the tree are them plant them, you know. And marking the tree, all type of tree, you know. Look, I told people them plant them, you know. All them tree, you know, all when you go all down so, alright. When you go down so you will see. And that's why they say, you know, if you come in and can't do nothing. Then tell you about the nature, you know. You're next spring around here, so I'll get in a big man.
I want that bigger.
Whoa, what's the fungus?
Fungi.
There's another crazy looking one. Add it to the list of awesome fungus. Turning into a mycophile, if that's the name. Whoa! Look at this one. This is the best one yet. Wow. Big one. Oh, it goes all the way up top.
What do you do like this and you get water?
What is that?
What are you doing like this? And you get water. See? You have to drink through this. What is it all the time? Man so high tall, man think it all out of leave, eh? What is that? This one, look, all the time. You carry them at
Ah, yeah. Perfect timing.
yeah.
Breakfast time.
Breakfast.
Wow.
The blood, see, Gano star.
No, no. Put it on my back.
Putting it back in.
Put it on my back. Why so many springs there?
So many breakfast springs around here. We just drink water at the breakfast spring right there. Cunha Cunha Trail. Breakfast spring. Cunha Cunha Pass.
Plenty for
People?
everybody.
Yeah. All of them pretty water there. Nobody too much them around.
No, this is paradise spot. No one around.
They do what they want. Look. Without them, eh?
Spring, spring, spring. Wow. Here, Ratty.
It's two different springs.
Them are bigger, yeah. So, and again, when we see them trail and believe to see no trail, you know. Road in there. A jungle, but road in there, you have to find it.
Yeah, you can hear the waterfall down there.
Wild pine, yeah, different nature wild pine, man.
It's giant, man.
Different, brother.
Whoa.
Different from the rest, feel it. Just sharp.
Yeah.
Different wild pine, this one.
So it'll fruit similar to the regular
Yeah,
pineapple
yeah,
too?
Yeah. The whole of them fruit, you know.
Wow.
But they have this still got this thing in pine up here, but
Uh-huh.
them are sharp.
I wouldn't expect it to grow in such a shady spot. I always thought pineapple liked the sun.
No, man.
It still grows in here too.
Yeah, man.
Wow. That's an interesting one.
Yeah, man. It look like an aloe vera here.
Yeah.
Ah.
Just with a thinner leaf.
Different pine, man. Everywhere you go, cause you see some pine different, and you see some different. It's like everybody have people, but a different type of people here.
So I heard about this trail, but I guess I didn't really hear many details about it other than it went all the way from St. Thomas to Portland. And having all these cool waterfalls is definitely unexpected. I had no idea it was going to be like this. Oh man.
Like the nature, you know. Today I saw make a picture over there, it's really super good.
It's tasty.
Is this thing one giant fungus too? Crazy. I don't know what that is.
I eat 9, 10, 11 years. Yeah, this. A black touch, then call this. Black touch. Took me to all 9, 10, 11 years. You can't. Look on them straight. Look. People use them make house. Look all the one over there. 9, 10, 11 years, brother.
Lord, man, Lord.
Black Wiss, man.
Man, all the Wiss look so similar to me. I have no idea.
I have no idea.
Which is which is which is which?
Which is which,
Can you tell which is which? Which Wiss is which? Say that 10 times fast. Which is which? Which is which? Which is which? Black Wiss. So this is another one you use for roots tonic type things?
Set them up.
Is that the one you were looking for today, specific, or?
I did find one now.
What's happening over here, good luck? We got the Black Wiss. Boom! Huge! That'll last a while. So a roots tonic Wiss. Which Wiss is which? The Wiss is trying to trip you.
Water, come out of it.
This?
Oh yeah.
See there, Matthew?
Yeah.
If you're that bush, right now, if you're that bush, and thirsty, watch this. Look the water amount of water that come out in the Ratty hand. And believe it, you can drink it Ratty.
Whoa.
Check it
Let
out.
me
It's
try.
so
Let
good.
me try.
It tastes like Guinness.
Whoa.
You're that wood and thirsty, brother.
Interesting.
People must know, say, well, this man here, I know
That's
you
a tricky
normal,
one.
man.
Ain't nothing normal.
Normal man, that man. He might give water out of vine.
Got it. Thank you. Plenty.
Right, you know, stop from one. This is you know, see? You can say
Still
that a
dripping.
bucket,
Yeah.
all under that.
It's good, man.
So not that you ever have a shortage of water around here, but if somewhere else you need that vine, you know you can drink out the vine. That's cool, man.
Yeah, man. But you don't stop on like that. If you're thirsty, you did work on that.
What you look at this? It's fuzzy up.
Me always do it when me da bush, you know.
Yeah.
And in a bush I don't have nothing. And me just watch the tree and they go set me bucket, chop one of them there and set something blood plate. The water me I deal with, brother.
This one right here.
Drink good. The key of this.
Cool. I'll have to try that later.
Come. Long time me not drink it neither. Come in right here, man, you know. You go drink that everyone. You drop a white tree there. You see?
Yeah, it's dripping.
It's like dripping, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You set
Awesome.
a bucket under that.
Yeah, just set the bucket and set it and forget
Yeah,
it.
man, if you don't have no water by your evening, you can cook food off a natural waste.
Nice.
Natural
Just boil
waste.
it up in whisk water.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
And I say, it's clean and pretty. People don't know nothing. They don't glass see. But then see this video now. We are drink this waste water, yeah.
Some delicious Wiss water, and the wind is definitely starting to pick up around the corner again. So another lookout type spot then, Mokko? With the wind whipping around.
Even more spring water. Again. A water slide into who knows where. Ratty's testing out every single spring. Woo, water slide.
Are you done?
That's it?
It's very good.
No way. The one you were just talking about finding. Siga Bush. So does it only grow up in the mountains here? Because I've never even heard you mention this before, ever.
Send it. That bush now look for.
I've never heard you even talk about this one.
It does smell minty. Whoa. minty, kind of peppery. Interesting.
Whoa, there you go.
You know.
Should have brought a donkey over here.
Chaney Root folk.
So is this another roots tonic one or a tea
No,
one?
man, I got this tea.
Just a nice tea.
Nice fucking tea. You know how long we not drink it, brother?
Well, it must be a long time because, like I said, I've never heard you mention it. I've never heard of this one at all. Like a lot of the Jamaican ones, I've heard the name at least or someone mention it, but I've never seen a commercial version of this for sale anywhere. That's for sure. Man. Here's a bundle. Full load.
Needed.
Yeah, man. That's great.
They'll fuck up something, you know.
Yeah.
Siga Bush Tea. It's pretty when you put mix it with the coconut juice, man. It's bad. And good.
Bad and good.
Nice tea, man. Me know around all them places and me then come find it, you know, matter. Trust me. Round back in here, so. I look, you see me see all of the weed and see the people use them, see them broke them.
Yeah, you can see the new shoots coming off from other people.
People use it.
Yeah, the other people know the deal.
Yeah.
Cool. That's a good sign to know, actually, if you're seeing plants like this in the wild, where they're all picked off and then shooting again, you know there's something useful nearby. Yeah, so much.
So much to
And right on the path, too.
Yeah, at the top, look.
Yeah, every little spring looking
You
different.
can beat all the
Everyone looking pretty.
Yeah.
All the way up top. Springwater for days.
That one attached and the one here attached.
Touch it and touch it.
Touched and attached. Look. See what the two of them?
So they're edible, like you cut them open and open up into the heart of it.
Yeah, and eat the
So like the inside is soft. On this thing, this plant here.
Yeah, move on that they do. Move on that they call it tree coming like, oh, it's alright. Yeah.
So you and Simon tried this one?
Yeah, we eat it and ratty with crackers, man, and come cook. And come cook and
This-
put it for them with gungo soup.
This one?
Yeah, man, and gungo soup and okra.
Which tree though, Mokko? This one? No.
Yes, that one.
Yeah? Ah, okay.
Then ratty and Simon cut it down a bit. We eat a lot of it.
Nice.
Cause inside soft.
Look for now one day.
And the one here, attached.
It doesn't
We-
hold up.
The one in attached.
The bigger one.
Yeah, we use the head up at the top too.
Ah, okay.
So I told two types.
It looks kind of like a palm.
Yeah, but then can heat. Touched and touch up, man.
But the other palms cannot eat.
Certain palm hearts you can eat. They eat them a lot in Asia. They're really good, but I'm not sure which kind of palm. Or if it's just a young palm, maybe.
And me have been mash it, me the deep down that and carry it.
Oh man.
And you don't taste it yourself.
Next time I'm bringing my hook point.
And me have one, you know. Never like a short one to ride.
Oh, a short one would be perfect for
Yeah,
this.
me have like a short one, you know. One woman give me America, you know.
Nice.
You know, me and him go one place, go keep up birthday and cookie and ratty and...
Which part?
Up at the deep hole where me no matter where you sit, they call it river.
All right. Another fungus check. Another one I've never seen. Whoa, it's like a jelly. Gonna take a picture for later. Add it to the list of funky fungus. We'll see what's what. I think we're maybe halfway, but as someone who's never been here, don't listen to me. But there's some signage here. Looks like it's been here a long time. And maybe some cabins. And no unruly pets allowed. What about unruly bosses? It definitely is a real hike. Not just some nice path to walk through. It's a mission, proper mission. Not as far as vertical goes. It's actually been quite nice. not crazy climbing up and then climbing down. It's been relatively steady. But with the slippery rocks and the mud and bits of bamboo and everything, it's definitely a legit hike for sure. Aha! 2.5 hours in. Here's the rest stop. Wow!
Where if you want to sleep or cocoon or feel thirsty.
I do.
But me I go eat piece of rat bunny now from my journey. Who anybody want?
Yeah, time to power up. I got some bulla.
Yeah,
We got a nice view over here. Wow. I think we might have to try to fly the drone over here. Just maybe.
yeah, we go down more.
Yeah. Is it a better spot? Yeah. Got some history here. Contingent. Veterans of World War I. Alright, quick, well-deserved break. Just having some bulla. Bulla and water. Bulla and spring water, fresh spring water. Can't go wrong. Maybe white pants were a bad idea, but whatever. They're meant for hiking.
Black ones.
And Ratty, really, the Crocs, no problem for you? Feet don't feel blistering, nothing?
But my hands are cold.
Yeah, it's kind of breezy up here.
I'm not freaky. Go, go.
I see another little building down here. I wonder what that is. Oh, is that the bathroom maybe? Maybe they built a little bathroom. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so they're building it up a bit, like they said.
Have your soft yam them?
These are all yam?
Look, look.
Huh.
You call one bum buckler, you call yam. Look there.
Yeah.
Look. Well, you got that 100. Look.
Crazy. You digging it up, Ratty?
Can't dig it up. Don't have a cutlass.
Yams, yams, yams.
We did try the cutlass.
Next time, we're bringing a cutlass. For sure.
We first did try it.
Right, little rain break, got a little intense, kind of just drizzling most of the sections that got wet, but this one definitely got heavier, but thankfully Mokko had 2 umbrellas, so we're good here. And you're smart, have a jacket.
Come on, give me.
Mokko's currently hotboxing his umbrella. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming from underneath it, but... I think this is my first time hiking with an umbrella, at least in a very jungly area like this anyway. It's pretty damn good. All right, little wet, but we made it.
Hey, to the hand.
Yeah, almost.
Donation we have put Nike today. You don't see white bucket back out by the top. You don't see what fucking white bucket. We donation it to the hand.
Donation, you gotta, I don't know. There's nothing in there. Oh man. Okay, edge of the park anyway. I don't know if that means end of the hike. Might have some more to go. Well, that escalated quickly. I'm soaked. My feet are completely soaked to the bone. Looks like we're finally on a trail where vehicles can go, so I'm hoping this is the last of the hardcore stuff and we end up in Millbank pretty soon. And my knees are just starting to feel it after about 4 hours of very intense, uneven, wet, slippery, muddy, dirty, leaf-covered ground. So yeah, we're just catching up with everyone else and be happy to change into the one dry shirt I have at least, I hope. All right, we made it to the other side. Wow, that was intense. And of course it stops raining just as we get out. Oh yeah, this one too. So same one as on the other side. Wow, map of the country in 1763. Look, Sunning Hill's on the map. Right there, Sunning Hill. There you go. We hiked all the way. And look, the weather stops just in time. I don't know, my feet are soaked now. I don't know about you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Long time.
It's like a river.
Every blood clot.
You know, Matthew? I heard like a river.
Oh man, that was awesome. Whew.
I like how not even urging me.
We made it. And the sun came out. Glorious. Time is it? It is 1:40. We left at 9, so got slowed down a little bit by the rain, but overall we did that in less than 5 hours, pretty much.
Geese are duck, then I fuck you up, you know.
That rhymes.
Yeah, man.
Geese or duck, fuck you up.
Yeah.
These are some good looking ones though.
Yeah, this is different nature one.
Hey buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
You look chill. No, the bad ones are the Canada geese. They will literally attack you. These ones are chill.
I feel dasheen down there.
Dasheen everywhere. Whoa.
Whoa, that
Dasheen Hill. That is Dasheen Farm. Wow, the whole ground. That's enough to go around.
All of them road I walk, you know, Matthew. The whole of them road.
Yeah, good to see you.
The whole of them road I walk, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa.
All of them road I come on, man.
And this we use the whole time, you know, Kim?
How far is the car, Kim?
Right. That's not good.
Ah, good to hear. We did it. We did it.
Yeah.
Ah, wicked. Big up. Crazy. Oh man.
These are wash some bees are feet on them. And we don't know it what you know, and people come here and know why you not charge. You know though? We don't know. You ask her what? We don't know.
It's one thing to walk there, it'd be another thing to walk around all the way back, but thank God Keem's here.
No, me not go walk back.
No
Cause
way.
me have it already, I do it already. And a man give me some dashing out on the hen so. I want to look a shop before Kim turn and come in. I want to look a place there. And the man give me some dashing, me ask him for one and give me about 4, 5, 6. When me come on the road, we go back, me can't bumbo clock carry them. I man can't carry dashing them.
No, all the way back. No.
Yeah, some around on the cliff behind them, man. Some around more up at the shop, up at this square up there.
So any final words about the hike if people want to do this one?
Master, this one rough, you know.
Yeah, it's rough.
Maybe rough,
I
so.
agree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's good. If you're strong, you can make it, you know. But if you're not strong, you get fucked up. Trust me.
Tough
but it's a
people.
heavy hike.
Tough
And the
to go,
bush,
man.
yeah, and the bush did there. You know, the part not clean.
Yeah, it's thick.
Only you have to fit. If you fit, I got your machete, you can't chop road, but nobody now maintain nothing again. And just leave it with the wild boar and Cunha and everything run wild in there, you know? Only that me can say. Yeah,
There you have it.
yeah.
All right, so if you're tough, hit the link below if you're in the area. Hayfield, all the way to, what's the name again of the town we're going to? Hayfield, all the way to Moortown.
Yes, sir.